Welcome to the Resairchia YouTube channel. My name is Jorge, and in this video I will introduce you to Pythonian Physics. First, you need to download and install Python. You can do it directly from its website. I will be using the latest version for Windows. The next step is to install pip. You will need it for installing packages. You can find the documentation in the website and the instructions you need to follow. You will need to run these commands on the command prompt on Windows. And to install packages, you can follow the instructions given in the website. Since this is called Pythonian Physics, I will start by adding a scientific package. Its name is Scipy. To install it, you need to use pip and follow the instructions given here. Now, if we want to start coding, we need some kind of editor. On the command prompt window, you can type the following line to open one. Let's go ahead and start a new file. My goal is to build our own Python-based simulator. So, for that we will need some kind of GUI and some code to interpret our models. So, I will start by going ahead and saving this file. I have given it the name pyLUISMR, following the Open LUISMR project that I have shown in previous videos. Now, if you are not an expert with Python and you are still learning like me, we can try to find some examples that we can use out of the box. If you search for Python OD solvers, you will find several examples. I will be using this one from Berkeley and give all the credit to them. Let's go ahead and copy their code. I am using this feature from Windows 11 to keep all the windows open so you can see what's happening everywhere at all times. I will comment this line since it might give an error. And be careful with the matplotlib library or package and check that you have installed it properly. Now let's run the example. You can see on the right that it's running, and here we are. We got the same results as in the example. Now, since we would like to develop some kind of GUI to avoid all this code, we need some kind of packages capable of building GUIs in Python. For that, I will be using the tkinter package. This package is already included in Python, so you don't need to install it. If you go through the documentation, you will find the classic Hello World example. Now, this time I won't copy-paste the example exactly as it is. I have modified it a little bit so I can include my own icon. Let's go ahead and run our file. Again, we have the same plot as before, and once we close it, we get our small Hello World window with our quit button. We can make it big, and you can see it keeps the pyLUISMR icon, the Hello World, and the quit button. And once we push it, the window closes. This will be all for our first video in this series. Stay tuned if you want to continue with us in the Pythonian Physics series. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in future videos.